Hi class, in this video, we are going to continue our discussion regarding solving crossword problems. So let's have a new example. A group of boys decided to go on a trip where they decided to rent a coaster that cost 4,500 to rent. To save money, they decided to invite 3 more of their common friends to go on the trip. Now, each boy would pay less 250 pesos of their original contributions. So how many boys ended up going on the trip? So for this problem, first thing, again, let's first represent our unknown quantities. And from our first statement pa lang, our unknown quantity is the number of boys. So, hindi natin alam kung ilan itong group of boys na nag-decide na mag-outing. Ang alam lang natin is that they will have to pay 4,500 for the rent of their coaster. So, it means that we have to represent first the total number of boys. So, we will have let X be the initial total number of boys. Initial, kasi po, yun yung initial or first part pa lang ng ating problem. Then, on the second part, ay magdadagdag tayo ng 3. Pero dito muna tayo mag-focus. So, X will be equal to the initial total number of boys. And, from our first statement, sabi daw, ang kanilang contribution will be 4,500 divided by X will be equal to the original contribution of each group. So, gagamitin natin itong ating representations. Now, let's write our equation. So, sabi, to save the money, they decided to invite 3 more of their common friends. And, on the second statement, now each boy pay less 250 pesos. So, to write our equation, we will have 450. Ayan, no? From our second statement, you add 3. So, you will have in your denominator x plus 3 equal to our original contribution base sa ating second or third statement. Meron na siyang less 250 pesos. So, original contribution, 4,500 over x minus the 250 pesos. So, this is now our equation, working equation for this problem. Now, let's solve our equation. So, given that we have our equation 4,500 over x plus 3 equal to 4,500 over x minus 250. So, first thing we have to do is simplify muna natin yung ating isang side ng equation by combining two single fraction. So, mangyayari, our LCD for this side is x. So, multiply mo lang. Divide and multiply. So, you will have 4,500. Then, multiply mo lang agad sa ating 250 kasi ang denominator niyan ay 1 lang naman. So, x divided by 1 times 250, you will have 250x. So, we will have now an equation which is 4,500 divided by all over x plus 3 equal to 4,500 minus 250x over x. So, to simplify, we will just cross multiply. So, we will have x times 4,500 equal to x plus 3 times 4,500 minus 250x. So, distribute lang po natin. Monomial by monomial, then binomial by binomial. So, mangyayari, we will have on the left side, 4,500x equal to, so FOIL method, using FOIL method, we will have 4,500x minus 250x squared plus 13,500 minus 750x. And then for this case, makikita mo na may pwede kang i-cancel out. No? Dahil pag transfer mo tong 4,500x on the right side of your equation, or transpose mo siya, magma-minus ka ng 4,500x. So, therefore, makakancel out mo yung common terms on both sides. So, matitira na lang sa iyong equation is 0 equal to negative 250x squared plus 13,500 minus 750x. So, before ka po na mag-factor out, paliitin muna natin yung ating numbers by dividing both side by negative 250. Simplify lang muna natin. So, when you divide it by 250, you will have negative 250. You will have now a new equation which is 0 equal to x squared plus 3x minus 54. And with this, you can now factor out your quadratic equation. So when you factor out x squared plus 3x minus 54, you will have 0 is equal to x plus 9 times x minus 6. Then, to solve for x, equate both these factors to 0 or apply the 0 property. So, mangyayari, this will be x plus 9 equal to 0, and this is x minus 6 equal to 0. However, for this case, ang kukunin lang po natin is yung x minus 6 equal to 0. Why? Kasi, hindi po pwede na magkaroon tayo ng negative answer. Wala namang negative voice. So, ang acceptable lang for this case is the x minus 6 equal to 0. So, x minus 6 equal to 0, solving for x, you will have x is equal to 6. While for 9 naman, x plus 9 equal to 0, magiging x is equal to negative 9. Eh, wala namang negative 9 voice. So, our answer will be 6 boys. So that ends our video about solving cost problems.